Now let's create a menu for our website, and we are specifically going to create the main menu. So to do that, I go over to the back end of my website. I go to Appearance and I click on Menus. So in here I enter Main Menu. You can give it whatever name. Then I click on Create. Then under View All, I'll add all the menu items I want to appear under my main menu. So I have Home, Blog, About Us, Contact Us, My Accounts, Shop. Okay, I think these are the pages I need on the main menu. I add to menu. I can rearrange them. Home, Shop, About, Blog, Contact, and then My Accounts. Then I assign it to main. Make sure you check this, otherwise it will not display on the main menu. So I'll go back there, click on Save Menu. Now I'll go to the front end, refresh, and it will appear right here. And it will also come with the cart icon as well as the search field. Awesome. So that's it on how to create our main menu.